Online class for kids. For more fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe.
Hi! Today, we are going to learn what are the things that we need to consider in renting a car. Come with me! This SUV is good for off-road travel. SUV. This minivan is suitable for family road trips. Minivan. A Jeep is easier to drive even in mudded places. Jeep. This compact car is good for traveling just around the city. Compact car. This sedan car is known for their cheaper rental price. Sedan. A pickup truck is known for carrying a lot of things. Pickup truck. These traffic cones are used for road safety. Traffic cones. Car rental agent helps customers choose the car that they want. Car rental agent. A license plate is a registration plate for vehicles. License plate. This rate list shows the rental car prices. Rate list. A left-hand drive is a vehicle with left-sided steering wheel. Left-hand drive. A right-hand drive is a vehicle with right-sided steering wheel. Right-hand drive. A windshield is a window glass of a vehicle. Windshield. A driver's license is important to be able to drive. Driver's license. I use GPS navigation system to know my locations. GPS navigation system. A steering wheel is used in order to drive a vehicle. Steering wheel. I always listen to a radio news in a car stereo. Car stereo. Automatic shifter is good for beginners. Automatic shifter. Manual shifter is much easier to control. Manual shifter. The dashboard camera records everything while driving. Dashboard camera. Now, let's play a game called What I Want. All you have to do is choose the correct item that I want to have. Have fun! What I want is an SUV. Correct! That's the SUV. What I want is a minivan. Correct. That's the minivan. What I want is a Jeep. Correct. That's the Jeep. What I want is a compact car. Correct. That's the compact car. What I want is a sedan. Correct. That's the sedan. What I want is a pickup truck. Correct. That's the pickup truck. What I want are traffic cones. Correct. That's the traffic cones. What I want is a car rental agent. Correct. That's the car rental agent. What I want is a rate list. Correct. That's the rate list. What I want is a left-hand drive vehicle. Correct. That's the left-hand drive vehicle. What I want is a right-hand drive vehicle. Correct. That's the right-hand drive vehicle. What I want is a windshield. Correct. That's the windshield. What I want is a driver's license. Correct. That's the driver's license. What I want is a GPS navigation system. Correct. That's the GPS navigation system. What I want is a steering wheel. Correct. That's the steering wheel. What I want is a car stereo. Correct. That's the car stereo. What I want is an automatic shifter. Correct. That's an automatic shifter. What I want is a manual shifter. Correct. That's the manual shifter. What I want is a dashboard camera. Correct. That's the dashboard camera. You did a good job today. See you next time!